Hi, welcome to another new video, and we are going to talk about how to add WhatsApp chat option in Shopify store. As you can see, we are already landed in admin panel of Shopify store. We just need to go on the add apps option and click on here, and you will find out pick for you app option. So here you need to go in the down in the left corner, and you will find out get more recommendation in the Shopify app store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will be redirect you in a new tab. In here it will be take a while and it will become up, and you can see all the apps here. So here in the search box you will search the WhatsApp only and hit the enter button. Once you will hit the enter button, they will give you some suggestion here. So in here you need to find out the real WhatsApp option. So scroll down and just find out which one will be good for you. So here you can see a free plan available, RQ WhatsApp chat button. Just click over here, and as you can see it has rating 5 star and already 23 people give rating. So click on install, and once you click on install you will redirect to another page, and here you can see a pop-up come over to you and you need to be click on install. Once you click on install, it will be installed in the Shopify store. So your WhatsApp chat button has been installed in your Shopify store. Just enable now. Click on enable now. It will be redirected to you another admin panel, and you can see your WhatsApp button has been enabled here. So whenever you need it, you can click here and you can make communicate with your customer through this WhatsApp, and it is the easiest and simplest way to solve this issue. If you found out this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.